Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a 90s inspired makeup tutorial. Y'all, I think I was born in the right era because this is my speed, the looks, everything. This is me. This is my speed. This is what I love. The 90s very matte. I'm a matte girl. I love a matte face. Brown neutral lip. I like brown neutral lips. I like dark vanity lips. You know, matte lip. Everything is just matte, and I just love it, and I'm here for it. It's also the perfect time because fall is right around the corner, and then the hair, oh my gosh, I'm definitely feeling like I'm back in the 90s for real. Even though when I was born in 92, so I was right on the creep of the 90s, and I really didn't dibble and dabble in a lot of makeup then because I was still so young. But I just love the look of the 90s. I love watching the music videos of the singers from the 90s, and you know, the makeup, the fashion. I love watching it. I always admired it, even as a child. I loved it, you guys. So I was so excited to do this video. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video, and I hope you have as much fun watching it as I had creating it, because I love it so much. Like from the hair to the makeup to the accessories to the clothing, I love it so much, you guys. Anyway, I'm not gonna ramble. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. But I was like, hey, you know what? I want to do a 90s inspired makeup tutorial, and this actually kind of really inspired me to do something like 90s, where I do an inspired video of one of my favorite artists that was really popular back in the 90s, or that I really loved in the 90s and still hot today. You know, something like that. It really inspired me to want to start a series. So we're gonna see where it goes. We're gonna see, you know, if that happens or not. But anywho, you guys, I'm not gonna ramble any longer. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And of course, if you want to see, you know, hold up, let's rewind all the way back. Rewind all the way back. For those of you who've been here before, you know who I am. Nikki, of course, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Nikki. This is a channel of beauty, fashion, vlogging, everything. I love it so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, even if you a hater. All comments are accepted. All comments, all feedback is accepted. But you know, I do block any negativity. So let's keep this channel about love. Let's keep it about love, you know? Know how cruel the internet can be. But anywho, if you want to see how I got this look, then of course just continue to watch. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna make this snappy. First, I'm starting off with my hair, and I'm taking my spray bottle with water, and I'm spraying it all over my head to get ready to detangle my hair. Next, I'm going in with my detangling brush, or you can call it a paddle brush, any type of detangling or paddle brush. I'm just brushing through my hair just to kind of get all the kinks, the knots out of it, and any tangles that I may have. Alright, you guys, next, following detangling my hair, I'm going to part my hair. I'm using a rat tail comb to part my hair. And the way that I'm parting my hair is in a zigzag pattern. I'm going to part it zigzag all the way down from the front of my head all the way to the bottom, as you guys can see. I'm just making this cute little zigzag pattern part just to go all the way down my head. It does not have to be perfect. By all means, the part does not have to be perfect, but this is what it kind of looks like. I'm showing you guys the front of my hair, and then we're gonna go around to the back. As you can see, the back is not that straight right now, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. Alright, you guys, so after I parted my hair, I'm going to put one side in a ponytail. Ooh, bless me. And I'm going to detangle the other side, and I'm going to get ready to put it up into a ponytail, which is going to make my curly puff. Alright, next I'm taking some Eco Styler gel, and I'm putting it all around my edges. And I'm going to smooth it out, and I'm going to take a soft brush, and I'm going to brush that gel up into my hair so that my ponytails can be nice and sleek. Next, after I've smoothed out that gel and I brush my hair up, I'm taking this ponytail holder, and I'm just going to put my hair up in a ponytail. I'm just taking one side and putting it up in a ponytail, and then I'm just kind of playing with it so I can get my curls nice and defined. Spraying some water on them, and I'm also going to take a little bit of gel just to kind of get them a little bit more defined, and they'll look like cute little curly puffs. Alright, you guys, so I'm just repeating that same process on the other side. I'm going to detangle with the brush. I'm going to apply some gel to sleek down those edges, and then I'm going to go in with the soft brush to brush those edges up and get it nice and sleek and have my ponytails looking super duper cute. Alright, guys, and this is pretty much it for the hair. Just parted it, put it up in ponytails, took some gel to sleek it up, and also define my curls. And then the last and final step for hair, cannot forget this. I got to lay those baby hairs. I have to slay them, so I'm going to take a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to get them baby hairs looking right, y'all. They're going to look on fleek. That's what makes this style so cute and makes it look so 90s to me, the baby hairs and then the puffs, because baby hairs definitely were a 90s thing, still a thing today, and we're all done with hair. So you guys, after I finish that, slaying my baby hairs, I'm going to take a scarf and I'm going to tie it around my edges because I'm going to get ready for makeup, and I don't want my edges to get messed up, and I also want to make sure that they're laying down and secure. Alright, now it's time for makeup. First, I'm taking the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer, and I'm just putting that all over my skin. This is my favorite primer. You guys know that. If you've been watching me, you know that this is my favorite primer. Next, I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting because I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I do have some redness going on with my skin. My skin has been going through therapy. It needed some help, and it's just been going through therapy lately. So I'm going to take this green LA Girl Pro Concealer to cancel out any redness, and I'm going to take the orange one to cancel out any dark spots that are just like beaming out, and I just don't want to deal with them. So I'm going to take the green concealer and the orange concealer to cancel out any darkness and any redness, and I'm going in, of course, with my Eco Tools beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend those concealers out. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade Coconut, and I believe the number is 335. If I'm not mistaken, don't quote me on that, but I know the shade is Coconut. This is one of my favorite drugstore foundations. I love it so much. The coverage is amazing, and it's not expensive, so that's a major plus. I love anything that's not expensive, gives me full coverage, and it's just flawless, you know. So I'm just going to continue blending out this foundation until I get the desired look that I like. After I finish with foundation, I'm going to take this MAC concealer. This is the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and this is in the shade NC42. I love this concealer so much. It provides amazing coverage. This is one of the reasons why I love it. It's just a great product all around. Like I mentioned before in one of my videos, that MAC was the first brand that I pretty much was introduced to, the first high-end brand. CoverGirl was the first drugstore brand, and MAC was the first high-end brand that I was like really introduced to, and I fell in love with MAC from working at Belk's department store in college. So MAC was like my favorite, and it's still one of my favorite makeup brands to this day. So once I blend that concealer out, I'm taking, you already know, my Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. This is my Ride or Die powder. I love it to set anywhere that I have concealed. You guys know this. If you've been watching my videos, or you know like my makeup routines, you know that I'm always using this powder. Whether I'm baking or just setting, you know that this is my go-to powder. I love it so much. Next, I'm going in with these NYX powder foundations to stay matte, not flat. One in the shade Chestnut, which I'm using to set my foundation and the outer perimeters of my face. And then I'm going to use warm beige to kind of go in and just set where I applied that concealer. Now, I want a really matte face because I'm going for a 90s look. So my face has to be matte. Matte was the trend back in the 90s. And it's great because I love a matte face anyway. So matte. We're not using blush today. We're not using highlight. The skin has got to be matte. I'm just taking the lighter one to go in the areas where I put that concealer at, just to give me a little bit of, you know, brightening. Then I'm going in with the Black Radiance and Cafe to kind of give my face a little bit shape. Next, I'm using the Huda eyeshadow palette. This is a Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette. It is the Mob Obsessions one. It's one of the mini palettes. So I'm taking that darker brown shade that was on the bottom. I'm just going to pack this on my lid space. This tutorial is so simple, you guys. It's so easy. Anybody can do it. I'm literally only using 2 colors. So I'm taking that brown, which is on the bottom corner, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid. Don't worry if it's sloppy, it's okay. Next, I'm going to take that taupe brown shade in the middle, and I'm going to just blend out those edges so that they don't look harsh. And I just want it to go from light brown to dark brown. I'm using windshield wiper motions to sweep it and just blend it out. Next, going back in with that dark brown color, I'm going to take that and just kind of sweep it underneath my eyes. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm being very sloppy with this because I don't want it to look perfect. I don't want it to look precise. This is a look where, you know, I just want it to just look kind of just flushed. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be a little sloppy and just kind of just blend a little bit. That's it. Next, I'm going in with this Revlon eyeliner, and it is called, what is this called, Joe? Oh my gosh, I forgot. The Revlon Colorstay eyeliner. And I love this eyeliner because one side is the actual pencil and another side has a smudger on the other end. So it's like a 2-ended brush. One side is for the pencil and the other side is to smudge it. So I'm going to take the eyeliner, I'm going to put it on my bottom and top lash line, and then I'm going to use the other side to kind of just smudge it out. Next, I'm going in with the Cosmetics-Superhero Mascara. This is a great mascara. I love it so much. I got it as a gift during, from also like during the birthday. So that's what really introduced me to this foundation, but it's to this mascara, but it is so great and I love it so much. It is super duper good. Alright, you guys, so now I'm lining my lips with MAC's Lip Liner-Chestnut, and I'm going in with the Sephora lip stain in Frozen Strawberry. I love this color so much, and I love how it looks paired with the lip liner. I just love the brown effect that it gives. That brown lip is just so 90s, and it's matte, and I just love it so much. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you had as much fun watching it as I did filming. Bye!